So this module addresses three key features. The first is teaching a bit of coding, especially in the language R, that is widely used both in industry, academia, and policymaking. Teaching them data analysis and how to learn meaning from data. Second, it is the use of new statistical methods that are particularly appropriate with very large data sets, meaning both number of observations and number of variables. And the third is using both the data and the statistical methods to extract meaning to answer very relevant questions, both in industry, such as prediction of music videos, algorithms that will help consumers, as well as those for academia or policymaking. I think this module has been designed with a few key differentials in mind. Two of them are, first, we want to carefully integrate critical thinking in the analysis of data. It will not be enough just for the students to analyze and be able to implement the methods or the data analysis, but they're able to understand why these methods may work better for some examples rather than others. And second will be the applications themselves. We'll span applications from more integrated to academia, predicting consumer demand, to also those that are a bit more towards industry focus. These mass data sets and say prediction of if an email is spam or not, as well as in other domains of knowledge. These skills are in high demand right now, and we observe them being implemented across many different industries. And so the students will not only have analysis capabilities, but also the coding, the implementation, and their critical thinking to implement them to both the practical applications they'll face in their immediate jobs, as well as learning these new skills and being able to implement them throughout their careers. So one example is think about predicting house prices, a specific house in a neighborhood. We might not have observed that house being sold, but we might observe different houses with different characteristics around it. How can we use the information of what we observe from these different houses to predict the one we care about? Whether Netflix or Spotify or YouTube, they will try to predict what's the next video or movie or song that you would like to listen to using your past information or everything you've listened to, as well as your characteristics. These are very high-dimensional problems. On the policy-making side, we might care about predicting whether certain tax, tariff, who are they going to affect and how are they going to affect different individuals or citizens. Again, this will require the use of massive data sets and number of variables, but carefully thought out to understand what we're going to get out of it.